Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share my honest experience with the RedThunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard, TFT screen and knob, tri-mode BT 5.0 2.4 GHz USB-C hot-swappable custom, pre-lubed linear pink switches, gasket structure, RGB gaming keyboard in black gold. I've been using this keyboard for a few weeks now and honestly, it's one of the most impressive keyboards I've tried in a long time, especially if you're into wireless setups and customizable mechanical options. First off, the design really stands out. The black gold finish looks premium without being over the top. It's got a solid build with a gasket-mounted structure that gives it a soft, almost cushioned typing feel compared to standard keyboards. Typing on it is smooth and comfortable, and it really reduces fatigue during long gaming or work sessions. The keyboard is also compact but still has a full layout, so it feels balanced whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. One of the coolest features is the TFT screen and knob. The little TFT display is surprisingly useful. It shows system stats, media info, or even custom macros you set up, which makes managing your setup feel high-tech and convenient. The knob is smooth and precise for volume control or switching between settings, and it adds a really premium feel to the overall experience. I didn't think I'd use it much at first, but it actually ends up being super practical. This keyboard is tri-mode, meaning you can connect via Bluetooth 5.0, the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, or wired via USB-C. Switching between devices is seamless. I have it paired with my PC via USB-C for gaming and with my laptop via Bluetooth for work, and it handles both without any lag. The wireless connection is solid, and the keyboard doesn't stutter even during fast-paced games, which is a big deal if you're into competitive gaming. The switches are pre-lubed linear pink switches, which feel smooth right out of the box. Presses are quiet but responsive, perfect for fast typing or gaming without the loud clicky noise of traditional mechanical switches. The pre-lubing makes them glide nicely, and I didn't feel the need to open them up or mod them, which is great for someone who wants a high-quality feel without extra work. Of course, if you like tinkering, the hot-swappable feature lets you swap switches easily for a fully custom feel. RGB enthusiasts will also appreciate this keyboard. The lighting is bright and even, with customizable zones and multiple effects. You can sync it with games or set up your own profiles for a personal look. It's not just for show either. The lighting is intuitive and makes it easy to find keys in dim environments. The combination of smooth switches, customizable lighting, and the gasket-mounted design makes typing and gaming feel satisfying every time. Another thing I love is the durability and stability. The keyboard doesn't wobble when typing hard or during intense gaming sessions. The build feels premium, and even though it's wireless, the battery life is excellent. I've gone a couple of weeks without needing to charge it, and when it does need power, the USB-C fast charging is convenient. There are a few minor things to note. The TFT screen and software offer lots of customization, which is fantastic, but it can feel a little overwhelming at first if you're new to keyboards with displays. Also, the pink switches are linear, so if you prefer tactile feedback, that might not be your favorite. Otherwise, everything else is excellent, and honestly, the few things I mentioned are more about personal preference than real downsides. Overall, this keyboard is perfect for someone who wants a premium mechanical experience at home or for gaming setups. It's versatile, stylish, comfortable, and packed with features that make typing and gaming feel next level. The tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable switches, TFT screen, knob control, and RGB lighting really make it a standout. Whether you're a casual user, a productivity-focused person, or a hardcore gamer, the RedThunder K95 handles it all exceptionally well. If you want to check the current price, click the link below for the best price. This keyboard has honestly elevated my setup, making both work and gaming sessions more enjoyable, smooth, and visually impressive. That's my full review of the RedThunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard. I hope this helps you decide if it's the right addition to your setup. Let me know in the comments what switches or keyboard features you prefer, and if you've tried other wireless mechanical keyboards, I'd love to hear your thoughts.